love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. I swear that I love it. I swear that I love it. Not to be cocky, but.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How to dye black bundles blonde. Ignore the way I'm looking right now. Y'all know I always come on camera just looking like I be looking like. Okay, so first thing you need is a trash bag. Because we don't want to make a mess. So, I'm going to get a trash bag. This is Clairol Professional B2, whatever. BW2 powder. I went and got the bucket this time because, like I said, I'm dyeing a wig, so I don't really know how much I need. And I got a bowl. This is just the old bowl. And the 30 volume cream developer. Ooh, this is one. Now I'm taking my cream developer. And what I gotta do is get it to where it's not liquidy, but it's like sort of a paste. If you know what I'm saying. So I gotta get it to like a paste. So I'm gonna just pour right quick. Just already put like 6 scoops in there, so I can always add more powder. So just get it to like a cake a cake mixing like batter, sort of, so kinda. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is wash it off. The shampoo that I'm gonna use, I have 2. This one, get it at Sally's as well. Shining Silver Ultra Conditioning Shampoo. It's supposed to eliminate the brassiness, like the yellow and stuff from like when it dyes and stuff. Enhances blonde and revitalizes bleach, frosted, and blonde tinted hair. So yeah, I got this, and also I got the Iso Plus shampoo. You'll wash it until like the water was basically like clear, comes back clear. And I'm just going to go all on the hair. So, however, we're not quite done yet. But yeah, what was going for is the ash blonde. And I went to Walmart and got these colors by REVLON. The medium ash blonde, I got 2 of those, and then 2 of the dark ash blonde. Right now, this is the wig at the moment. And like I said, we got little black spots in some of these areas, and then like at the roots it didn't go all the way. But I mean, not really tripping. Then this is the front. So yeah. So basically I'm going to mix this. So now that I'm finished and the hair has dried, I'm going to put it up in a little bun, and I'm going to start flat ironing it. Take some of my Murray's Edge Wax for the flyaways. Just a little. Put on the front of my fingers. this is the finished result of my ash blonde wig. It's just like some areas it didn't take all the way, but I mean, I don't mind that. But I mean, yeah, for the most part, it looks really good. And I left one piece right here. I'm gonna have to go back and curl that. But yeah, this is the finished look. And I really do appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me some comments and stuff. Tell me what you guys think. And stay tuned for my next video. Bye, guys.
Say me too, girl, you addicted and I need